I am telling you the story of clever Kina true puppet. Long, long ago, there lived a clever bird Kina. One hot day, she was thirsty. She flew here and there in search of a water. Caw, caw, I'm very thirsty. Caw, caw. Soon she saw a pot. She flew down to the pot. She could see some water in it. Kina tried to push her head into the pot to reach the water. Oh no! The water was at the bottom of the pot. Oh no! Kina had an idea. She saw some pebbles. She started dropping the pebbles into the pot one by one. Caw, 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 caw. Soon the water came up in the pot. Kina drink the water. Yum 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 yum, and flew away happily. If you are happy, clap your hand. The moral of the story is never give up. Always try and try. Thank you everyone.